Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for unbiased tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of e-paper displays with the Inky Frame. This versatile device offers a range of features that make it much more than just another e-paper display. So, let's get to know the Inky Frame. Setting up the Inky Frame is a breeze, thanks to its pre-flashed MicroPython module. With a few simple steps, you can connect it to the internet and sensors without any hassle. The Inky Frame even provides examples that allow you to display NASA's picture of the day, news headlines, or even random jokes. It's clear that this display has a wide range of possibilities. When it comes to displaying images, the Inky Frame shines. Using the Pico graphics module, it's now incredibly simple to use images with these displays. You can easily convert stock images downloaded from platforms like Pexels.com to match the display's resolution. Just keep in mind that when saving JPEG images, they should not be progressive JPEGs. In the past, using images with e-paper displays required special color palettes and additional steps in Photoshop or GIMP. However, the Inky Frame takes care of all that for us. With around 45 seconds for a full screen update, complex images like photos render well on the display. The dithering process mixes the 7 available colors to reproduce the original image with fidelity. However, keep in mind that color e-paper displays tend to work better with comic books or painting images than photos. But don't worry, Pimoroni provides a tutorial on how to prepare images specifically for the Inky Frame. Beyond images, the Inky Frame also offers versatile connectivity options. With its dual onboard QWST connectors, you can easily connect compatible components to expand its capabilities. For example, hooking up a BME 688 temperature and humidity sensor was a breeze. And I quickly had raw data displayed on the screen. With a bit of creativity, you can mix text data into graphical displays, enabling live weather data with icons. Now, let's talk about the form factor and practicality of the Inky Frame. With its lanyard holder, you can even wear it as the ultimate conference badge. Plus, all 3 sizes of the Inky Frame accept external power via JST header, making it versatile in various settings. Whether you need data visualization, art for your desk, news headlines, or that conference badge that stands out, the Inky Frame has got you covered. In terms of pricing, the Inky Frame 7.3 is the most expensive model at $89. However, it offers plenty of screen space in a pleasing form factor. If you're concerned about budget or desk space, the 5.7 or 4-inch models provide similar functionality with slightly lower resolution. Regardless of the size, the accompanying MicroPython module and QWST connectors make it easy to use and enjoy the wonderful results it produces. That wraps up our review of the Inky Frame. From its ease of use to its stunning image quality, this e-paper display offers a lot of value. Whether you choose the 7.3-inch model for a larger output, or opt for the smaller sizes, you can't go wrong with the Inky Frame. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more unbiased product reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off.